All right, hey there everybody, welcome to my channel, This Better Home, and to this video which starts right now. If you've got vinyl siding, or really any siding, hopefully this video can help you out. Check it out. Over time, it just kind of gets this dirt grime buildup. So how do you get rid of it? How do you turn, nice vinyl siding, particularly that's covered, from this to this? You can see obviously the dirty and the clean part there. And how do you make it brand new? So it's not rocket science, but a couple little tricks here for you, a little tip. Basically all this dirt and dust that's just loose, you don't want to just start wiping that down because you're just going to smear it all around. It's the same thing when you clean your windows, right? You want to get rid of that stuff first and then clean it really well. Okay, so what do I mean? Well, here's the illustrating point here. If you just grab a paper towel and some cleaner and start messing it, just kind of cleaning it around, it's just going to smear around. You're not going to actually lift much up, right? Unless you want to go through like 3 rolls of paper towels for a 10 by 10 portion. So what I like to do, put on a little mask and take a soft bristled brush and just kind of dust away a lot of this loose debris. Yes, you'll have to get the ladder, the step ladder out. You'll have to kind of work it in the corners a little bit, but it's really easy to do. You could obviously take a power washer. You could take a hose and just spray the heck out of it as well to get rid of that. Now, once that base level is off of dirt and dust, you'll take a little squeegee and just kind of go like this. Look how easy this is. You can use water. You can put some soap in it, and you're just going to kind of work it around. Keep it nice and wet. Don't let it dry out because you'll damage your squeegee sponge that way. You can certainly work vertically or horizontally, however you would like. I find going parallel to the vinyl siding works the best. Here's another shot of once again that base dirt has been lifted up. I can now squeegee clean it. Just a nice couple passes probably for each side, and you can move at a pretty good clip if you do this. Now, as far as cleaning it off, you obviously want to get rid of all the soap. You can try to use the squeegee side, so flip it over and try to kind of squeegee that off just like you would your car window. But in my particular case, it doesn't work, so I'm just going to basically rinse it off. Certainly you could spray it off with your hose too, but I don't want to saturate everything. This is under a screened-in porch. I don't really want to bring my hose up in there. So I'm going to kind of do this by hand, and it's going to take me all but 7 to 10 minutes to do this whole side, so pretty simple. And then I can even take a paper towel and wipe it down. And the paper towel can help get some of the corners. You'll still get up surprisingly a little bit of dirt as well, but it's really residual. And again, once this process is done, you're going to be looking at some really clean vinyl siding. Here's another look at kind of getting in the crevices. Not very fun and pleasant, but if you do this every once in a while, it's not going to be tremendously bad. There's another shot at kind of that clean, just wiped down. And this is the end result. It should kind of look like that. You've got your left that's super dirty and the right super clean, brand new again. And I'll of course continue that until it's completely finished. So the little trick there. Hopefully this video has helped you out. If it has, do me a favor, click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks so much.